Everyone.
Hi, everyone. We are coming to you today because, first and foremost, we want to apologize for the delay in the shipment of your much needed and anticipated Rejoova products. We understand the frustration that comes with wanting and needing a product that you've paid for, and the anxiety that comes with not having it and the delays that come with that. And so first and foremost, Amy and I and Dr. Murphy want to apologize to all of you for the delays. We know that it's frustrating for all of you, and I'm sure you can't imagine this, but I'm telling you that it is absolutely more frustrating for us to be on this side, knowing that all of you are waiting on it and dependent on us for these products, and we haven't been able to ship them out. So we want to apologize.
Yeah.
And we want you to also know that none of this is purposeful. You know, the delays were out of our hands, and the timelines we gave you were not trying to mislead you. They were truly timelines that were given to us, and we passed that information on to you. And unfortunately, there were some additional setbacks and delays that we did not anticipate or see. And by the time that we were told of those things, it was, beyond the time frame that we had expressed to you. But there is a relatively good reason for some of these delays. So, Amy.
Yeah. And I mean, another thing I want to add to that too is we know how stressful this process is for all of you. And I think um, you're here wanting our products and following us and doing the things that we recommend because, Mark and Dr. Murphy and I have spent decades building trust with all of you. And that we have your back. And the last thing we wanted to do is add more stress to your life. And it has been very stressful for us. And yes, we were given timelines that just kept extending themselves, and it's been stressful. But one really good takeaway, I think, and of course Mark thinks, is we removed magnesium stearate from the product at this point. So that was something we wanted to do down the road. We were able to do it this time around. And unfortunately, that did lead to probably another week or two in the delay, which wasn't told to us, unfortunately, in the beginning. So we said yes to it. Had we known that, I don't know. I think it's still something I feel really good about. I know you feel good about it, Mark, of just getting any fillers out of the product whatsoever. And we really pride ourselves on the integrity behind this product and all of its ingredients and how clean it is for you and for your fertility. So we're sorry, and we appreciate the patience. We know you guys are frustrated. All of you that are or have, dealt with this back order issue, we did also send you a promo code for 10% off any future order. So please check your email if you haven't seen that, and please utilize that. And we will apply that to a subscription as well for 1 month of the subscription. So please, accept our apologies and know that right, literally as we came on to record this, right, we got an email like the first batch. We're actually shipping it in batches as quickly as possible. We're planning to 2-day or overnight the first set, and so that should actually be shipping like
Yep.
as we're speaking, which I'm beyond excited for. And there's hundreds of boxes just sitting in my home office waiting to be filled with Rejuva eggs and Rejuva repair to get out to you guys.